Today we're adding something we've always wanted to add to our bus. Let's get to it. Also, let's see if we can do it just the two of us.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you read the instructions or do you just say, I'm not even gonna find them, let's see what happens?
Grace always makes me read the instructions. I've made too many errors before.
I was actually gonna say this is a very rare sight.
You don't read instructions.
Now we have to convert meters to what? Centimeters? Inches. What do you convert meters to?
Feet?
Huh?
Like, what the is this?
This is harder than IKEA. 53.
And a quarter, yeah.
Now it's time to put more holes in the bus and hope it doesn't leak. Plot twist. Our screw is hitting the metal, so we need to take off our framing. 1 screw is secured, 6 more to go. We're actually happy that, if you can see here, it goes through the first metal, then we have this plate, and then it goes through this second metal beam, so it's gonna give it extra support.
This is black too, which is nice. Yeah. You got it lined up where you want it?
Yep. Wow. Who's coming over for the first picnic?
Look how much sun protection this thing gives.
Did you look up how to do that?
No.
Oh, there's the arms.
Yeah.
And then these probably pop out somehow, but let's be careful because we don't want to rip this. Ooh, that's beautiful. It smells good. It smells new. Now they want us to screw into that. You might have to push. I might have to just suck it up and screw. How far can you push it when you push it?
Come on down. Stop. You come up here.
You didn't like the way I was doing that?
No.
It just snapped right off. And then this one over here, it doesn't want to go in. But I think it should hold.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Would you like the beverage? That's nice. Now the outside's totally done besides solar panels. All we have left is to do the inside.